Well, hello there. Let's get this hair slayed. Let's get it. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Twasi, and today I'm back with another video. Thank you so much for your response in my previous videos, and invite more of your friends to come and join this family and this squad. So in this video, as you can see from the title below, I'm going to show you how I make my sleek hyper on my 4C natural hair, because my hair is so kinky. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you how I achieve that, and yeah, let's get right into the video. Yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys what I'm gonna be using. So first of all, I'm gonna have an afro comb. Then I'm going to have a hairbrush, and next I'm going to have eco styling gel. I think this is the best styling gel I have ever come across, and it's got 10 maximum hold is 10, so I think it's really good, especially for 4C hair. Yeah, and I have my toothbrush. Well, not my toothbrush, but my baby hair brush is what I use. And I have, this is my water. So I just got an empty perfume bottle, and I had to put water inside, improvising on a budget. Yeah, so it gets the job done either way. Then next I have my olive oil spray. I love this spray. It just makes your hair shine, like it just adds an extra pop to your hair. Then next I'm gonna have a thread. Yep, this is a thread. I made like three or four strands. Yeah, 3 or 4 cotton strands. Yeah. And also I have my afro puff. I got this in one of the shops in town. It's a large one. Yeah, so it's really big, and it has these 2 pins inside. There's one here and the other one is here, and it also has a rope. Yeah, so I'm going to start by combing my hair from the roots up. And like I said, my hair is very kinky, and it was much better here because I just had cornrows the night before, so it was better than ever. And oh, look at my length, you guys. Look at my length. Puff coming through here, see. So yeah, I like combing my hair because my hair is very fragile. It's really very fragile, so I just leave it out once in a while. And yeah, you need to make sure it's all stretched up. Then I'm just gonna make a part mid below my head. Yeah, make that part and comb through it just to make sure all my hair is stretched. And then I'm gonna go ahead with my water, and I'm going to spray it. Make sure it's damp enough. Don't make your hair wet, like dripping wet. No, it's supposed to be kind of like damp, but enough. The next I'm gonna add my gel. Just run through it and make sure all the hair has just coming through. Then next I'm gonna pat again. The next part is where I'm actually going to put the puff. Just gonna hold that together, then do the same, spray the water, make sure hair is damp enough, then add the gel and make sure all the hair has the gel. Then yeah, and I also think women can look beautiful on a budget. Like, I only got this wig for like 75 kwacha, Zambian kwacha. Yeah, and I think it's really affordable, and for somebody who is on a budget, I think this is a lifesaver. Like, it's something that can be an everyday hairstyle. And also, if you've got strong edges, then yeah, it's an everyday hairstyle. Otherwise, your hair can just break away. Yeah, so I'm just going to continue the same process all throughout my head. And I think this hairstyle should be done once in a while. If you have like brittle hair like mine, it should be done once in a while, because my hair really is fragile and I'm still figuring it out. So yeah, if you've got strong hair, I think it's a really simple hairstyle, and I think it gets the job done. Like, you feel beautiful either way. And I think I'm not defining beauty by hair, but I think beauty is your confidence, like how you feel. If you feel pretty, then you're pretty. If you feel beautiful, you feel beautiful. And I'm a strong believer of, having everything put together, like in order. Like, if your hair is okay, if you've put it the way you want it to be, then that's beauty by itself. So I feel like you don't have to go hard, just to look pretty in a simple hairstyle. Yeah. And also, you can make a part, a middle part, or you can make a side part, or you can make a no part at all, like what I'm doing now. Just round, it's got no part at all. But yeah, you can still do it on anything. And you can make this is a high puff, you can also make a low puff. Just the same process, but just drop the hair down. Just be dropping the hair down, then yeah, everything is the same. So I think this is a really good hairstyle, black girl magic and all that stuff. So yeah, then just gonna go on with the thread just to hold the hair together. Then I'm going to plait the remaining hair on top, just so it does not distract the fro puff. Then I'm gonna go ahead and lay my edges. You can lay them however you want. Some people lay their edges, like a wave all the way down to like their side bends. And yeah, you can do it however you like, however suits you, however comfortable you feel. Yeah, so you can try something new, but that's how I just normally lay them. I think this hairstyle can also be done when you're in a hurry. Yeah, you want to rock your natural hair and you just had your hair unplaited, I think this is a to-go hairstyle. Just gonna make sure everything has. Then yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it with my bandana. Yeah, you can use preferably a satin scarf, but yeah, this gets the job done. Make sure it's tight enough and leave it for a long time until the hair dries. Yeah, but I did not leave it for a long time, and my hair did not dry as much, but it was alright. But you need to leave it for like
1 hour later.
Guys, it's been an hour or so now, and I added one more cloth so that it can be very tight, quicken the process. So yeah, let's continue. Now we're gonna remove this. Yeah, okay, there you go. Okay, then I'm gonna get the afro puff and get my sheen spray and spray it a bit. and I'm gonna spray some on my hair. So then I'm going to start with this one. The pin with the strap is going to be behind and the other pin is going to be in front. So like this. Okay. Okay, and there it is. I'm just going to pull. And tie that around. And just put this inside. Yeah. Make sure it's tight and secure. And then we're just going to flub this out. And voila, I think it's cute. If you want it to be a bit smaller, you can keep tapping it and you can shrink. Yeah, or if you want a big one, you can just flourish. If you want a big one, you can just remove it out. But yeah, this is the end, you guys. And voila, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, make sure you like, comment and share and subscribe, and also tell me what other videos you want me to be doing. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.